I want to request our Pro-VC sir, Mahbubur Rahman sir, to come and share his words. Thank you.
The Honorable Vice Chancellor, the special guests, one of whom I have known for 40 years, since we graduated in 1982, and he became an entrepreneur. And that was the time actually Bangladesh lived into all these industries that we see now has been the core of Bangladesh's economy, like textile and garments and so on. And he has led it from the front. My colleagues, dear alumni, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Now, as we have been hearing that technology is moving fast, and if we don't prepare ourselves with the pace that the technology is progressing, we'll be falling back. Now, the title of this seminar, the fourth industrialization or the fourth generation of industry, and as we hear from the presentation by Musannaf, and the video that we saw, which gives us an idea about, because the title says it's the fourth generation, fourth period of industrialization. So it means there has been a first one and the second one and the third one. And as we saw that the second one has been pretty long, over a few hundred years. But then the third one, which came in the 1950s with the introduction of computer and digitization and so on. And there has been only very small few decades. We are now in the fourth generation. So it shows that how fast the technology and the industry is moving. And this morning I was looking at the definition of fourth industrial revolution, which says it's a period where rapid change to technology, industry, and societal patterns and process in the 21st century due to increasing interconnectivity and smart automation. Now also artificial intelligence, advanced robotics, manufacturing, and automation are part of it. Now, Ahsanullah University, I guess, is the best, most well-placed in Bangladesh, having departments in mechanical and production engineering, and electrical electronics engineering, computer, and textile. You won't find any other university which have both textile, manufacturing, and computer and electronics together. So I think we are the most well-placed among all the universities, 150 or so number of universities in Bangladesh. Now, the Textile Alumni Association, I mean, they have rightly identified what they are supposed to do or how they are supposed to help us, the faculty, and the students to be job ready so that they also don't lose out. And the spirit or the basis of Alumni Association, which is giving and fellowship. And I believe that the Textile Alumni Association have very much well understood what it means by giving and fellowship. It's not only in cash, that it can also come in kind. Like this kind of seminar or gathering, whatever you call it, which is useful to disseminate some knowledge, some information. And we heard from 3 of the presenters before me. And the first presenter, actually, he pointed out several more important things that we can utilize or depend on the Alumni Association for. For example, they can give us the feedback on what the industry needs, what are the emerging technology, which can help us in revising our curriculum and also training or providing the right kind of knowledge and skill or impart the right kind of knowledge and skill among our graduates. That's one thing. Also, there are 2 other things that I found from his presentation, which is important from us. The one is, the role that the Alumni Association can play is in enhancing the reputation of the university. Because the ranking, to a greater extent, depends on 50% of the score of ranking, actually depends on the reputation of the university. And the reputation is measured by the ranking organization on the feedback from the alumni and their employee. And I can understand the employers who are present here, all of them actually employ many of our graduates. So I'll take this opportunity also to request them that I'm not trying to convince them. What I need is to participate in this ranking process and give an honest opinion about our alumni. And also give us the feedback, like what the industry needs or what kind of graduates they need. We already heard about it. I'm sure some of them will also reiterate it, like I think the second presenter was saying, or the first presenter as well, that we give the right kind of, perhaps we are giving the right kind of knowledge and the technology, and our students don't lack in those areas. But what they lack is something else, which is preventing them to assume, to take up the leadership or the ownership, where they can lead a company from the front. So it's not only technology, it's not only knowledge, there is more that we need. And I think this kind of gathering is the right forum for us to come to know what it is required that we are not doing, and also, the disseminating the knowledge and everything. So I think with that, I will wish all the success to the AUST Textile Alumni Association and this program, and hopefully there will be many more in future. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you so much to our Pro-VC sir. He was rightly saying that Ahsanullah is producing really qualityful textile engineers, and we can see the reflection in our job lives.